ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Habakran halo ke jikhang Lynti ki khar ke HNYF tengar yakin nongsang sawari ki patmu wale sakathain sora ba sakathain dauki usumbun menteri rang ba jalau ba prestun tensong ulong ba usubu lada kani gawanja ha ki Briew jongi hatu Kumno Phin Sngew ulong balada ki Briew jongi ki le Shah mat petka ye ke jingking Brahmaputra hende ki Shah be no ha Shiteng Lynti Kumno Phin Sngew ulong ba ki nongsang kai ki wanchani ban penja that yaladi Banyoi rejing itana Jong ni gejala jongi bad hadien kata kele phaino asala ki Jong gejala hanre ulapan pau rejing Sngew rejing le ki khar ke HNYF.
No, my point here is I've already told very clearly to anybody, now the law will take its own course and the law has to prevail. So my request to any concern to anybody is any misunderstanding or any issues, grievances that you have, Secretariat is always open. Let us sit down across the table, discuss and resolve the issues. If you cannot resolve 100%, at least 10%, 15%, it can be done that. So therefore, I would request anybody, anyone, let us sit down across the table and discuss about these issues. Like, today what happened? They checked. They said there is no, don't go to Sora or don't go to Punusla. Huh? I mean, that is not fair. It is not fair at all. So I don't want to talk deeper, but what I'm saying is that is not fair. Suppose now our people, innocent people, they wanted to go and see the Brahmaputra bridge in Guwahati and suddenly stop somewhere. Go back. We don't want to see your face or we don't want you to go there. What will you feel? I mean, therefore it is not good. And especially these people, they are tourists. They came here for what? To see, to enjoy the beauty of nature that God has specially blessed us, and thereafter they will go back. So I really don't understand why such behavior should happen like this. We did not know means. We never expected those kind of unpleasant checking done by a group of people in the name that you are the tourist and then you don't have to come this side and better you go back. So this is what I mean. Therefore, my point is very clear, as I said to you. Nobody can cross the limit. Let the law take its own course of action. And let me tell you, repeatedly I would like to again say here, please, anybody, don't take the law in your own hands. The law is the law, be it for me or be it for anybody, but please don't do like this. If you have issues, Secretariat is open. We can sit down across the table, discuss, talk, and with discussion, with across the table, then we will come out with a positive note.